I gave you my heart.
So the first question is, do I realise that I get more views on my shorts than my normal videos like this? And yes, I do. I look at my analytics, mostly in my YouTube studio, every single day to see if views have went up, if likes have went up, and I know that I get more views on my shorts than my actual videos, but that's because my shorts go out on a short shelf. If you did not know, that's how shorts blow up. So that's why I get more views on shorts. The reason why I do it once a week, I don't know if you guys want me to do it more, but the reason why I do it at least once a week to get out there, and I like being creative with them. So I filmed all of that, I answered the first question, and then the camera my phone cut off while I was doing the eyeshadow. So this is just the base, but the second question before I do the glitter is, what shows do I recommend? So the shows that I recommend, I don't really watch many shows, so one is Saturday Night Takeaway or Saturday Night In. I'll put the name of it here. Can't remember what it's called, but that's on next Saturday. That's starting next Saturday, so that's a good show to watch. It's like just with Ant and Dec, and they do like funny things. I don't know how it's gonna work this year though, because there obviously won't be like physical audience this time, and normally they pick out a member of the audience to do like some of the things on the show. But except from that, I mostly watch X Factor, Britain's Got Talent, and The Voice sometimes. I mostly watch my music show. I love my music. And another one is The Chase. Now, I prefer the new version of The Chase when there's like all 4 of them and there's one person playing all 4 or like 2 or 3, how many they want. I prefer that version. And then there's 3 of them doing a new version of like them travelling the world and like challenging little kids or like robots and stuff like that. So that's good as well. But except from that, I don't really watch many shows. I mostly watch Netflix. But I do recommend, there is a new, well, it's not new, there's a 3rd movie of the To All the Boys, but it's To All the Boys Always and Forever, and that's really good. It's about like them going to college and like leaving each other. But now I'm gonna, by the way, I used this colour on my eyes, and now I'm gonna use that colour. And I use these 2 brushes now. I do change my brushes up, but this one is for like the first coat, and then this one is for the shimmer. Another, it's not really a show, well it is, but I don't know if it's actually on TV anymore. I know it's on iPlayer, it is on BBC, but I could not find it on actual TV. It's a new Tracy Beaker series. If you're like under 15, I would say, you probably don't know about Tracy Beaker. You probably do, but for us like 21 in our 20s, like from 20 to 30, Tracy Beaker was like our childhood, and she's brought out a new one. What's My Mum Tracy Beaker? It's like the Beaker family, and it's so good. I've watched it all already, but it's so good. I hope they bring up more, but that's another recommendation. I'm actually going to change the colour to this one here, because that is more silver than the colour that's showing up. So this is the look that I went for, and before I do my mascara and my lipstick, I don't really feel like doing blusher or highlight today. I just fancied a little eyeshadow look because I just need to like put some clothes away from last time I filmed, and I need to get some clips for the video that went up on Sunday, and I still need to edit that, but it's a fashion one so it shouldn't take too long, hopefully, fingers crossed. But the last question that you guys asked is, who's your favourite singer? Now I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I feel like I have mentioned it before. But my favourite singer, my all-time favourite singer is Jessie J. I've got loads of favourite singers, but like Jessie J, I've looked up to her since I was like 7. Like I've always, Jessie J and Jayla, and yeah, them two have always been like I was a fan of them when I was younger. I am still a fan of Jayla, but Jessie J's always been like, I've always looked up to her, and yeah. And I've went to 2 of her, but one of her shows at North East Live, what Capital done, she was amazing there. I'm not saying she waved exactly at me, but she waved in my direction, but I like to say it, she waved at me. I did a banner saying I'm your biggest fan or something like that. I'm a proper like fan girl, like I'm a proper fan girl. So yeah, that's my favourite singer, and I'm gonna use this lipstick today. I've ordered some. Oh, this is an update, that guys, by the time that this goes up, I should hopefully already have them. But I've ordered the Roxy's new eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna do a review on it. Can't talk because I'm that excited. A review on it. And I've got her lipsticks as well. I know they're not new, they were her old collection, like her last one, but I haven't got them yet, and I really wanted them. I've been like making myself not get her collection for ages, but now I have. And I've also got, the amount of times in my makeup video I say, oh, I'm gonna get my concealer, I got my concealer. So the next makeup video you'll see of me, I'll be using concealer, and I've got my face primer, but I've got the strawberry one. I had the coconut one before, so I'll be trying out that. So that video should be out on Sunday or Friday, depending when I put out my shorts and depending what I film, what my shorts is going to be. But normally I do shorts on Fridays, but I might try and do it for Sunday. Let me know in the comments what you want. I'm going to also put up a poll on my Instagram to see when you want the shorts. But that video will be coming up soon, Friday or Sunday, so be aware of that. And if you did not know, this is the mascara I use. This is the Too Faced mascara. I love this mascara. It is my favourite. This is the bigger version. I've had like the little version for like I got it one Christmas, and then I got it the next Christmas in a Too Faced set. And then my sister got me the full size last Christmas. Well, the Christmas was just passed. So this is the final look. I know it's not much of a glow up, but this wasn't a glow up. But this is, if I do my makeup, this is normally how I do it, depending on the palette that I use. And most of the time I use a brown lipstick or pinky lipstick. So it all depends what mood I'm in, but I really fancy going as natural as I can with my type of makeup. Now I'm going to show you the outfit. So this is the outfit today. This is probably the first time I'm wearing jeans for like about 2 weeks. Most of the time I'm in leggings or in some joggy bottoms. But I really fancied actually wearing some actual clothes today. But now I'm going to film the intro and outro for today's video and then edit that, get some lunch and sort my clothes out from that previous video. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what other videos you want to see from me, because even though I'm not feeling productive, but when I am productive, I am loving being creative lately and just making content for you guys. Bye!